Horsepower helps satisfy the need for speed and can add a little fun to the daily commute. But over time, carbon buildup can cause engines to lose peak power output. Unacceptable. AMSOIL PI is a deep cleaning performance improver that aggressively cleans stubborn, power-robbing deposits from your vehicle's engine to help restore horsepower. We set out to demonstrate the power of PI through third-party testing using a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado with 100,616 miles on the odometer. Prior to treatment with PI, the truck was run on a dyno and measured for horsepower output. The 5.3-liter gasoline direct injection engine was then disassembled, photographed, and reassembled. After a single tank of fuel treated with PI, driving at highway speeds, the truck was strapped back to the dyno. It measured an astounding 14% improvement in horsepower. The engine was disassembled once again to measure PI's effect on deposits. AMSOIL PI cleaned deposits from vital areas, restoring peak horsepower and performance. Give your engine the power boost it deserves by ordering PI now at AMSOIL.com.